To make fried candied sweet potatoes, all you're going to do is boil your sweet potatoes in a pot of hot water for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the size of the sweet potato. Test it with a knife, make sure the center isn't hard, remove them with tongs, and allow them to cool for about 20 minutes before you peel them. They're going to be very hot. Once again, all you're going to do is cut the ends off. Make a slice down this lengthwise, and then peel it right away. Look how easy that comes off. And there's your sweet potato. And then all you have to do is cut it into slices like this. I don't like to make them too thin, and I don't like to make them too thick. So I'm going for about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. And then I'm going to put them right into a container like this. And then tomorrow morning, while my turkey is roasting, I will fry them up in a pan with butter, brown sugar, and a dash of cinnamon. And you can find that recipe on my blog, Dysfunctional Designs, and that is how you peel a sweet potato.